Real estate is the property, land, buildings, air rights above the ground, and underground rights below the ground. Also refers to manufacturing, purchasing, and marketing real estate. It affects the U.S. economy by being a critical driver of economic growth. So investing in real estate is the best way to get an extra income. This is your best guide to learn how to invest in a real estate business with no money. When you invest in housing real estate, you are getting more than a home or a piece of land upon which to build a home. Real estate investment has become a popular way for people to make money, and it is not uncommon to buy a house or land without any aim of living there. Some people buy and hold property, waiting for it to appreciate before reselling it. Having cash for a down payment is a quick and easy way to enter the real estate market, but it is not your only option. Many people have found ways to start investing in real estate with little or no money of their own. Options include borrowing money as well as several more unusual and creative paths to ownership. There are 4 types of real estate. Real estate agents assist homeowners, businesses and investors buy and sell all 4 types of properties. 1. Residential real estate. This kind includes both new construction and resale homes. The most common category is single-family homes. There are also condominiums, co-ops, townhouses, duplexes, and triple-decker, high-volume homes, multi-generational, and vacation homes. 2. Commercial real estate. Shopping centers and strip malls, medical and educational buildings, hotels, and offices belonging to this category. Apartment buildings are often considered commercial, even though they are used for residences. That is because they own to produce income. 3. Industrial real estate. Manufacturing buildings and property, as well as warehouses. The structures can be used for research, production, storage, and distribution of goods. Some buildings that distribute products are considered commercial real estate. The classification is important because the zoning, construction, and sales are handled differently. 4. Lands. The vacant land, working farms, and ranches belong to this section. The subcategories within vacant land include undeveloped, early development or reuse, subdivision, and site assembly. These are the 4 types of properties you can invest in. Now, when you invest in real estate, there are several ways you can make money. Let us go through some methods you can follow. Real estate appreciation. Real estate appreciation arises when a property surges in value due to a modification in the real estate market. For example, the land around your property could become scarcer or busier, like when a significant shopping center was built nearby. Or you could have made upgrades to the property that make it more attractive to potential buyers. Real estate appreciation is a complicated game. It is riskier than investing in cash flow income. Cash flow income. This type of real estate investment focuses on buying a real estate property, such as an apartment building, and operating it. Hence, you collect a stream of cash from rent, which is the money a tenant pays you to use your property for a specific amount of time. Cash flow income also generated by other types of real estate besides apartment buildings, such as storage units, office buildings, and rental houses. Real estate-related income. Real estate-related income is generated from specialists in the real estate industry, such as real estate brokers, who earn money from commissions on properties they have helped a client buy or sell. It is also generated from real estate management companies, who get to keep a percentage of rents in exchange for running the day-to-day operations of a property. Ancillary real estate investment income. For some real estate investments, this can be a significant source of profit. Ancillary real estate investment income includes things like vending machines in office buildings or laundry facilities in rental apartment complexes. In effect, they serve as mini businesses within a more significant real estate investment, letting you make money from a semi-captive collection of customers. So now, the important question is, can you invest in real estate with no money? The answer is, yes, you really can invest in real estate with no money. But if you do not have any money, you will have to find some other way to contribute resources, time, skills, relationships, or sweat equity. Here are some simple ways to invest in a real estate business with little or no money. 1. Purchase money mortgage or seller financing. The first proven way to invest in real estate with no money is through seller financing. When buyers are unable to secure a loan from financial institutions, they may opt to seek real estate financing from the sellers. With conventional real estate transactions, the buyers will provide the sellers with the cash to gain ownership of the property. However, with a purchase money mortgage, the seller extends finances to the buyer. The buyers will then repay the sellers concerning the agreed terms. 2. Investing in real estate through lease option. The second proven way to invest in real estate with no money is through a lease option. Under the lease option, the proprietor charges the purchaser a monthly or yearly premium, in the form of higher rental payments. The excess rental fee will channel towards the purchase price. With this type of agreement, the investor can purchase an investment real estate using a slightly higher rental fee. 3. Hard money lenders. If you have no money to invest in real estate, you can opt for hard money lending as a viable funding option. Instead of coming from a bank, the funds used in real estate investment will come from groups or private individuals. Because these types of loans do not necessarily need to go through corporate procedures, they tend to have fewer qualification requirements. Moreover, private lenders might be more than willing to back up risky projects. Therefore, the interest charged on hard money loans is higher since lenders are taking more significant risks, and the terms usually are 12 months or less. Hard money loans require the borrower to cover closing costs, application fees, appraisal fees, and any other costs associated with the purchase of a property. 4. Microloans. As the name suggests, microloans are geared towards startups or newer businesses, which require resources to generate further growth. Microloans are much smaller than traditional financial institutions offer. The lower balances will, in turn, mean these programs are less strict in their qualification requirements. A microloan is a good funding option to invest in real estate with no money. 5. Forming partnerships to invest in real estate with little money. Real estate partnerships are joint for investing in real estate with little or no money. If you want to invest in a property, but the price tag is out of range, then an equity partnership may be what you need. An equity partner is an individual whom you bring into a transaction, to help finance a property. There are different ways that partnerships may be structured, and thus it is up to the buyer and the partner to agree on a more viable structure. 6. Home equity loans. If you have no money for your other investment in real estate, you can go for home equity loans. The majority of investors tend to capitalize on the equity of their primary home and then use it to finance the new property. Banks and several other financial institutions offer different products such as home equity line of credit and home equity installment loan, which allows the buyers to capitalize on the equity that they already have. 7. Trade houses. Trading houses is another viable way of acquiring new property. By trading old assets with new assets, you will not only be able to purchase a new asset but also avoid the capital gains associated with the selling of a property. With that said, buying an investment property for sale with no money down is not a new phenomenon. Also, it is clear to us that there is no such thing as no money down in real estate investment because the money is going to come from somewhere. 8. Government loans. Government loans are perhaps the most well-known of all the sources of funding made available to today's investors. Here's a list of the government loans you may already be familiar with. FHA loan. USDA loan, VA loan. Good Neighbor Next Door program, Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. Energy Efficient Mortgage, FHA Section 203. Native American Direct Loan. Local grants and programs. It is worth noting, however, that there are aspects of government loans that are not ideally suited for rehabbing homes for a quick profit, VA loans. What is real estate crowdfunding? Real estate crowdfunding is a way of raising money for real estate investment by reaching out to a pool of investors to contribute a small amount of money towards a project. It is a form of raising funds that allows small real estate investors to fund big projects. In another way, real estate crowdfunding is the real estate peer-to-peer lending or financing of real estate projects. The process of raising money is conducted via an online crowdfunding platform. One party, the borrower, joins a platform to get funds to start or improve a real estate project. Another party, the investor or lender, joins a platform to invest capital in exchange for high returns on the investment. If you are a real estate investor with some capital, you can grow your wealth passively through crowdfunding. You have two options: equity and debt investing. Equity crowdfunding. Equity investment provides high returns compared to debt investing. When you invest this way, you will receive returns based on the property's rental income less crowdfunding platform fees. The payouts for this type are sent quarterly, and in case it is sold, the investors earn a share of the property's appreciation value. The major risk associated with this type of investment is that investors have an equity stake in the property, which means they can lose money if the value of the asset decreases. Debt crowdfunding. Debt investment is the most common route for investors as it is more simple to invest. In this type of investment, you lend funds to the owner of the property. In turn, you will receive a fixed interest based on the owner's mortgage loan and the amount that you have invested. Payments for loan investment give quarterly or monthly. At property payout, which is generally a fixed date, you will receive your invested amount, principal. Here is a small tip: you can join a club with people like you. A real estate investment club comprises people who think as you do and who can help you reach your financial goals. Investing in real estate can be intimidating. It can be costly to get started, and dealing with the complexity of taxes, rent, and property maintenance can scare away even the bravest investor. Joining an investment group focused on real estate can help ease some of that anxiety and assist you in achieving your financial goals. You can benefit from the wisdom of a group and have a good time along the way, and much of the work of investing in real estate spread out, making it easier to enjoy the investment returns without the stress. Let's summarize. Getting an easy method to find more money is our dream. The best way to earn more money with no money at all is to get into real estate. Here, we have talked about all the areas in which you can earn from real estate and all the things that you should know. So, hurry up and get it going, because hey, you do not need money to get started. All you need is some pretty deep enthusiasm. Before you go, like, share, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell icon for future videos. Also, if you have any questions, comment below. Have a nice day.